In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a PDF into Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 simple ways to get PDF artwork, documents, or even multi-page designs into Photoshop, ready for editing or creative transformation. Whether you're adjusting a detail or adding your own unique twist, this process unlocks a ton of new possibilities for working with PDFs inside Photoshop. Let's jump right in. First, make sure Photoshop is open and ready to go. If you're new to Photoshop, you can find it in your Applications folder or toolbar. Just double-click the icon. Once it's running, we're set to bring in our PDF. The first and most direct method is using the File menu to open your PDF. So, at the very top left, click File. You'll see a drop-down. Choose the option that says Open. This is the gateway to all your files, so navigate through your folders until you find your PDF. For example, if it's in your Downloads folder, just browse over and select it. Click Open. Now, depending on your PDF, Photoshop might ask which page or image inside the PDF you want to import if it's a multi-page file. If you see a prompt, just pick the page or image you want, then hit OK. Photoshop will bring it up as a new document, laid out perfectly, ready to be edited. This method is great if you just want to work on one PDF page from start to finish, and you want Photoshop to do most of the setup for you. But let's say you want a bit more control over your workspace. Maybe you want the PDF to be part of a larger project, a collage, or a custom-sized canvas. Here's where the second method really shines. Start by opening Photoshop as before. This time, go up to File at the top, select New, and choose a custom size for your document. You can set dimensions that match social media, print requirements, or just completely tailor it to your needs. After your new canvas appears, head back to File and now select Place Embedded. This is a powerful option. It lets you insert your PDF as a smart object. That means it's easily resizable, movable, and keeps its clarity. Once you choose Place Embedded, browse to the PDF file you want to bring in, select it, then click Place. Photoshop will show you a preview right on your canvas. At this point, you can resize and position your PDF. Make it fit exactly how you want. When you're happy, just hit OK. You might notice the PDF appears as a layer on your canvas. Sometimes it's waiting for confirmation before it's fully locked in place. Right-click the PDF image layer and select Place. It's a bit like stamping it down where you want it. If you don't see your PDF, don't worry. Just retrace the steps, and Photoshop will catch up. If you're working with a multi-page PDF and want several pages, just repeat this process for each page. A quick tip. Smart objects, which you get from Place Embedded, keep your PDF sharp even if you resize it. Think of it like putting a sticker on your project that never gets fuzzy no matter how you shift it around. Really useful for flexible designs. And there you have it, 2 straightforward ways to import any PDF into Photoshop, whether you want to jump right into editing a page or carefully place it into a custom design. It opens up all sorts of creative doors, from tweaking scanned artwork to making new graphics out of old documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I always check and love to help out. And if you want more easy, practical Photoshop tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy designing.